Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Disney Plus, full guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current financial situation. Calculate your total monthly income. List all your essential expenses, such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Determine how much you spend on non-essential subscriptions, including your Disney Plus subscription. Decide how much you want to allocate to entertainment each month. If Disney Plus is part of that budget, consider its monthly cost. Explore Disney Plus subscription options, including the ad-supported plan and premium plans. Choose the plan that best fits your budget and viewing habits. Look for any promotional offers or discounts that might lower the cost. Factor in additional costs like internet service if streaming affects your usage. Plan your viewing schedule to maximize your Disney Plus subscription. Set aside time each week for family movie nights or binge-watching sessions. Consider sharing your subscription with friends or family to split costs. Use the Disney Plus app to track your viewing and avoid unnecessary add-ons. Regularly review your budget for flexibility and potential savings. Adjust your spending as needed based on changes in income or expenses. Lastly, analyze your Disney Plus usage for potential upgrades or downgrades in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.